Have you ever been able to easily transform your photos with just a few words? No? Well, let me introduce you to a quirky new tool, Google's upgraded image model, Nano Banana, officially Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. Nano Banana is Google DeepMind's new model that was dropped on August 26, 2025, and in less than 48 hours it already topped LMArena's leaderboard and is available in Gemini and for developers through the Gemini API, AI Studio, and Vertex AI. But what makes our potassium-filled minion different from others in image generation? For starters, it keeps every object or person of focus recognizable and same throughout your edits, with no distortions or unwanted anomalies. That's likeness preservation. 2. It allows you to reimagine almost anyone and anything in different contexts, while they stay the same. That means you could put yourself in a coliseum, dominating the waves of Neptune, or with your favorite celebrity. Take me, Jenna! 3. It allows you to merge two different images, such as one of you and one of your dog, into the same room, or blend in furniture into a living room with a shelf, coffee table, and more. And last but certainly not least, it also allows you to transfer styles between images and make your edits to them step by step. Banana takes in natural language prompts and lets you modify images like a pro without needing Photoshop skills. This has probably been said about other similar tools, but Flash Image takes accuracy and precision to a whole new level. Safety is also still in Google's focus, as every image generated with Nano Banana comes with a visible watermark and an invisible synth ID marker, the company's AI content detector. This keeps image generation fun and safe for everyone and every use case. Suppose you're ready to try out Nano Banana. In that case, you head straight to Gemini and log in to check out our Photoshop minion. And if you like this video, click this one on the left to learn why Google pays Apple $15 billion a year, despite being its largest rival. See you there!